Chapter 19. Inspiring Reformers. Learning Objectives. Religious Reformers. Social Reformers. Scientists. India has a unique combination of religious and social reformers and scientists. They have all worked to make us better human beings. Let us learn about them. Religious Reformers. India is the birthplace of religions like Hinduism, Buddhism, Jainism and Sikhism. All followers of the Islam, Christianity and Parsi religions live in our country. Hinduism is one of the oldest religions in the world. The main holy books are the Vedas, Puranas, Upanishads, Ramayana, Mahabharata and Bhagavad Gita. These holy books teach us about the life and teachings of saints and sages. They teach us about the importance of karma. Gautam Buddha founded Buddhism, which was based on truth and non-violence. The Dhammapada contains his teachings. Rishabhnatha was the first and Lord Mahavira was the 24th Tirthankar who propagated and revived the Jainism. He preached the concept of live and let live. Both Buddha and Mahavira taught ahimsa. Muslims follow the teachings of Prophet Muhammad. The Quran is their holy book. Christianity was founded by Jesus Christ. He preached about love and forgiveness. The Bible is the holy book of the Christians. Guru Nanak Dev founded the Sikh religion. He believed in one God. The holy book of the Sikhs is Guru Granth Sahib. The Parsi religion was founded by Zarathustra in Iran. The Zend Avicii is their holy book which teaches to people to be good and help others. Social reformers. Kabir. Kabir spread his thoughts through his dohas, bhajans and songs in a very simple language. He was against the differences on the basis of caste and religions. He preached that God is one and there should be brotherhood among all. Raja Ram Mohan Roy. He is called the father of modern India. Raja Ram Mohan Roy was born in Bengal. He was the great reformer of his time. He fought against social evils like caste system, sati, illiteracy and child marriage. Raja Ram Mohan Roy supported the remarriage of widows. He founded the Brahmo Samaj to reform the evils of our society. Ramabai Ranade. Among the women social reformers, Ramabai Ranade holds pride of place. She did a lot for the upliftment of women and orphans. She founded a school called Puna Seva Sadan. It helped the widows by providing them suitable jobs. It also worked for the welfare of the orphans. Rabindranath Tagore. Rabindranath Tagore was born in 1861 in Kolkata. He was a great poet, novelist and philosopher. He was a great patriot. He wrote songs in praise of India. Our national anthem Jana Gana Man was also written by him. Rabindranath Tagore was awarded the Nobel Prize for Literature in 1913 for his book Gitanjali. He also wrote plays, dance dramas, stories and novels. Rabindranath Tagore disliked the present school system. At Shanti Niketan, the school started by him, there are no classroom. Classes are held in the open under the trees. He is also the founder of the Vishwa Bharati University in West Bengal. Subjects like dance, music, leatherwork, painting, etc. are taught in this university. He is popularly known as Gurudev. Fact File. Another song penned by Rabindranath Tagore, Amar Shonar Bangla, is the national anthem of Bangladesh. Scientists. In India, there have been many scholars and scientists who have made great contributions in science, mathematics and astronomy. Aryabhatta and Varamihira were very learned astronomers. They could study stars with great accuracy. The ancient India was highly developed in medicine and surgery. Sushruta and Charaka were famous physician and surgeon respectively who were much ahead of their times. In the field of mathematics, the concept of zero was given to the world by the Indian thinkers. The Indian system of numerals of writing the digits from 0 to 9 also became the basis of mathematics. The Arab traders learnt these mathematical systems from India and took them to the European countries. In modern times, the prominent Indian scientists like C.V. Raman, J.C. Bose, Homi Jahangir Bhabha and Vikram Sarabhai have been recognized all over the world for their contributions to the field of modern sciences. C.V. Raman was awarded the Nobel Prize in 1930 for his discovery of the phenomenon called Raman effect. Homi Bhabha. Sir Homi Jahangir Bhabha was a world-famous scientist in the field of atomic energy. He was the genius behind the success of the Indian Atomic Energy Program. Homi Bhabha founded the Tata Institute of Fundamental Research with the help of G.R.D. Tata. APJ Abdul Kalam. Our former President APJ Abdul Kalam is the pride of India. He is the only Indian scientist after C.V. Raman to get the highest civilian award of our country, the Bharat Ratna. He is popularly known as the Missile Man of India. Points to remember. India has produced several religious preachers, social reformers and scientists. Hinduism is one of the oldest religions of the world. Lord Gautam Buddha founded Buddhism and Lord Mahavira revived Jainism. India has given zero and decimal system to the B.